Now, I don't know if this is true or not, but, so what made it seem louder? Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but what made it, like, seem louder is the amount of buildings that are at the location I'm testing at. So, correct me if I'm wrong, but the sound, once it's projected from the little smoke detector thingy, it usually bounces around the sound. And for me running, it kind of sounded like a Siemens, or Wheelock rebrand by Siemens, ZNS. So, yeah, and it's probably due to the amount of buildings on this location that I'm at. So, yeah. Anyway, again, correct me if I'm wrong if that's not true. But, yeah, due to the amount of buildings there are, the sound was able to bounce around, thus make it seem louder. Now, I don't know if this is true or not. Correct me if I'm wrong.